In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji to Google New Calendar 2025 step by step. If you've ever wished your events were easier to spot at a glance, adding emojis to your Google Calendar titles is a quick win. I'll walk you through creating an event, inserting an emoji right from your keyboard, and choosing a color that makes your event pop. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in. You'll see your calendar view, and on the left side of the screen, the panel where you can create new events. Look toward the top left area and find the Create button. Click it to open the event editor. In the title field, type the name of your event. For example, let's call this one Movie Date. You can use whatever wording works for you, but keep it short so the emoji and text are easy to read on both desktop and mobile. Now, with your cursor still in the title box, open the emoji picker from your keyboard. On Windows, press the Windows key and the period key together. This brings up a small emoji window that floats above your screen. If you don't see it, make sure the title field is active and try the shortcut again. On Mac, a quick tip for future reference is to use Control plus Command plus Space to open the emoji viewer. In the emoji picker, browse the categories or use the search bar to find a movie-themed emoji. Try searching for movie, film, clapper, or popcorn. Choose the one that best fits your event's vibe. When you see the emoji you want, click it once. It will immediately appear in your title. You can place it at the start, like Movie Date, or at the end. Both work, but leading with the emoji makes it easier to scan in busy weeks. Next, give your event a color so it stands out. In the event editor, look for the color options and pick a shade that matches the theme, maybe a bold red or a fun yellow. Consistent colors help you recognize event types at a glance, so consider using the same color for similar activities. That's it. You've created an event, added an emoji from your keyboard, and selected a custom color. Finish setting up the event details as you normally would. When you return to your calendar, you'll see the emoji right in the title, making the event easier to spot on both desktop and mobile. Keep your emojis simple, use one or two at most, and stick to a color scheme so your calendar stays clean and readable.